Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a frustrating issue many of you might be facing in Rust. Crashing when you trying to join a server. Let's dive into some quick fixes to get you back in the game. Rust crashing when you joining a server can be due to several reasons including outdated graphics drivers, low virtual memory or even issued with your Steam client. Don't worry, we have got you covered with some simple solution. First, ensure your graphics driver is updated for NVTIA users. Use the GeForce Experiences after to check for updates. For AMD users, download the AMD Auto Detect tool to keep your driver fresh. This can significantly improve game stability. Another common use to low virtual memory. Increase your virtual memory limit to ensure Rust has enough resources to run smoothly. This can be done through your system settings. Sometimes corrupted game files can cause crashes. Use Steam to verify the integrity for your Rust files. This will replace any damaged files and help stabilize the game. If you still experiencing issue by running Rust in the direct 9 modes, this can help resolve compatibility problems and reduce crashes. If you are part of the Steam beta program, OPT out beta version can sometimes introduce bugs and that can affect game performance. Close unnecessary background app to feel free the system resources and ensure your firewall is not blocking Rust. This step should help you to join servers without crashing. Thanks for today's video. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Rust crashing when you joining a server. If you have any other question or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving contents.